Hello everyone, and we're going to do a quick review today about solving proportions. So in a proportion, when you solve, you want to use a cross product. So when you do that, you multiply the numbers that are across from each other. So I'm going to do 9 times 3 first, and 9 times 3 is 27. And then I'll do 5 times x is 5x. Now we're left with a one-step equation, so all I need to do is divide by 5, and my answer is 27 divided by 5, which is, let's see, 5 and 2/5, or 5.4 if you prefer. So that's the basic idea behind solving proportions, but let's do some harder proportions. In this one, notice we have an expression here, but we're going to follow the same steps. I'm going to do x plus 10 times 1, and I'm going to do 8 times 12. 8 times 12 is 96. So now I'm going to distribute the 1, so I get x plus 10 here is 96. And then I'll subtract the 10. So x is 86, and that's my answer. Now for the last one, again, I'm going to follow the same steps. Notice I have two variables that are across from each other. So I'm going to do x times x is x squared, and that's going to equal 12 times 3, or 36. Now I have to do the square root on both sides to get x alone. The square root of 36 is positive or negative 6. Don't forget the positive or negative sign. When you introduce the square root, you need to put this sign here. And then just make sure that it works in whatever situation you're doing. Because this doesn't relate to a real world situation, we would leave it as positive or negative 6. So that's our quick review of solving proportions. Make sure you ask me if you have any questions.